Alright guys, so I have to hit you with another video you guys have already seen before, and that is me assembling the Sonda once again. Now I know that's not super exciting, but by the end of today we should be able to hear this thing run for the very first time without rod knock and a full exhaust. So hopefully it should seem like a pretty healthy car by the end of today. We got a lot of work to do, but I'm feeling motivated. I think we'll get it done. So I hate to do it to you, but we got to throw it on a time lapse because I got a lot to do, and this car is not easy to put together. So let's get on the tripod, get to work, and yeah. We're making great progress. Very excited. It's starting to look complete. What do you think, RJ?
Looks great.
Thanks, man.
You're doing a great job.
Next step to all this, I'm gonna do the fuel system. Now, the big issue is this morning I got some pretty crappy news, and that is my injectors are bunk. I finally sent them out to get cleaned and tested, and after getting cleaned and everything, we're having some major issues where the injectors are actually locking up at higher pressures and they're spraying super inconsistently. Not so much that it would really affect the lower RPM stuff, but if we were to get into boost, we probably could have really caused some damage on the engine, so I'm really happy we got those checked out. That sucks because we need injectors for it, and I don't have an extra set. Luckily, DJ has a set in his JZ car. He's gonna let me borrow for a couple weeks until we get the new injectors inside this thing. So, DJ, love you, homeboy. But let's go rob him from his car.
Sayonara, DJ's injectors.
DJ, I'm so sorry. Let me know if you guys subscribe to DJ's YouTube channel. I'll put the link in the description. Check it out. Tell him to work on this car. I mean, I'm not really helping right now by taking parts off it, but go tell him to work on it.
Hey Jimmy, I'm in my final stages of getting my car to run, but now I can't start it because of my injectors.
I feel like another overlooked step is people forget to lube their injector O-rings. So when you put them in, a lot of people will actually pinch the O-ring, which will cause leaks. Fuel system, nice. We're good to go there. So the last major piece of the puzzle in the engine bay is going to be our engine harness. Luckily, we have these beautiful wiring specialties, KA standalone harness, so it plugs in pretty quickly and it's not too bad. So let's throw it back on the tripod and let the laps continue. Alright, the harness is on. I've been chugging along. I hope the video isn't too long at this point. I'm really just trying to rush through this, even though it's been taking me all day. It's a lot of work, but I know you guys are here to see this thing run, because that's why I'm here too. We're getting there, alright? Wanna help me put the exhaust on?
I'm ready. Let's do this.
Alright, we got the Stay Gold DP right here.
Oh, love that Stay Gold DP.
I'm actually terrified to start this engine.
What happened last time?
We don't talk about that.
Come on, you can do better than that. I've seen you do better than that.
Oh.
No panic, just full commitment, man.
No funnel, baby. Oh, weak start, weak start. Oh. This is like the littlest stream ever. Oh, whatever.
Oh my God.
Today, it's not my day, all right? Next time, all right? This one's the easy one, ready? You just, yeah! Oh, I couldn't believe it. Of course, the last one went
so
great.
easy.
Who cares? Let it breathe.
Oh my God. Does that thing owe you money?
All right, enough. Stop it.
Okay. All right, we're good. So, got the EC. I got all the wiring rigged up again. I adjusted for the injectors. We shot base timing. Got fluids in it. B's here. Say hi, B.
Hi, B. Oh, I mean, hi, guys.
And man, I am exhausted, but it is time. This thing should start. It's gonna be smoky, but it should start. I'm really nervous.
Why?
Cause, you know, bad mojo.
Yeah, I just wanted to hear you say it. Yeah, I say you just freaking go for it. Let's see, we've got oil pressure. This thing's been cranking. We did the base timing like you said. Let's just, fuel. You gonna make that work?
Yeah, make sure there's no leaks, you ready?
Yeah, I hope one day we can permanently install this fuel pump.
Whoa!
It's leaking?
No,
Don't give me
it
that
just,
noise when I make
it took forever to prime. All right, we got like 41, 42 PSI.
Pair.
Dude, what the hell?
This is so freaking weird.
It's running. It's running.
It sounds like a good car.
Shut it off.
It's not that smoky yet.
No, but there was a funny ass noise just there.
Oh man, there's always got to be a funny noise.
Like it sounded bad.
Really? That's sick.
KA?
What the hell was that? Something's hitting.
My
Something's not tight.
noise.
Come here.
What the fuck was that? Something bouncing around in the head? Yeah. I think something's bouncing around in the head. Not good. Not good. Something is dancing around in cylinder 1. You can see it. How did something in cylinder 1? I was so careful with this freaking thing. Well, it wasn't enough to close the gap on the spark plug, so it might be something light. We've got to hope that the valves are fine. How are we gonna get this out?
Yeah, I mean,
There's not a good way of doing it.
Yeah, it's either gonna go out here or there. I don't really want it to go there.
All right, so we pulled the wastegate off just because that allows a giant hole in the exhaust manifold, just in case it went through the exhaust manifold. It's not going to go through the turbo, and we don't see anything. We don't hear anything. It might have passed through already, because I mean, really, the only winning here is to take the head off, take the turbo off, do all that, or we could just slap it all back together and cross our fingers,
We don't have a borescope right now.
Yeah, we don't have a borescope, we don't have anything. But I guess let's throw a compression test on cylinder 1 real quick, just in case. Because if we nick the valve and it's not seating properly, we could have no compression or low compression, which would not be a fun time. All right, anything over 120 I'll take, all right? The thing that sucks is like Brian sees the number, but I see Brian's face. And so like,
I'll do a poker face, all right?
I don't know,
Sunglasses?
it's like worse.
There's sunglasses on the top of the coupe.
You want me to just smile the whole time? Also worse?
Also worse.
Give us your good face.
I'm hungry.
Gunner.
190.
Gunner.
Sick.
So, let's throw everything back together and hope that we don't hear any loud bangs.
One eternity later.
I found it. An hour later. Look at my contraption. I got this. There's like a super magnet in there. Where is it?
What the heck is it?
So I dropped this in this. I'm proud of my little invention here, but this was what was in the cylinder, dude. What the flying? Do you think it looked like that before it was in the cylinder, or do you think the cylinder made it look like that?
It does look hammered down, right? But
Yeah.
I don't know.
You know what the saving grace of this is? The fact that it's so long. And that's probably why it didn't get like underneath a valve, because it was just such a weird shape. You know what I mean?
Dude, you deserve to get lucky.
I mean, I don't know how much luck that was, but I got it out. Let's do another compression test real quick, and then I wish I had a leak down tester, but we'll figure that out. Throw the wastegate back on. I think we're good to go, but I can't imagine there's other things other than this in there.
Well, stick your magnet down there a couple more times.
Yeah, I'm scared I'm actually gonna get stuck. I need to make a necklace out of this thing. Jesus Christ.
What the fuck is that?
Swallow it. You should drink it like your kidney stone.
I don't know what this is.
What a pain in the ass.
Send it out for a stool sample or something. We'll figure out what it is.
Just put it in the oil cap.
No, we need that. Get that far away from the engine.
Okay.
Dude, you should take the socket off the crankshaft.
That scared the fuck out of me.
Yeah, how do you feel the guy with the freaking leaning over it?
My foot. I don't know. Do it again. All right. Same.
Good.
We're all excited now.
Fuck.
You want it out?
Realistically, got extremely lucky. Holy crap. That could have been really bad.
But it wasn't.
Let's get it started up.
Burnout time, baby.
Hell no.
Okay, when it's not getting ripped apart by something in the cylinder, it sounds really healthy. Yeah. See the thing's on? And you can hear it for the first time. No show them. Give her a good crap. Sound check. Give her a little.
Alright, we knew it's smoky, alright? We'll get over that, but
It sounds great. Let me get another crack. It sounds awesome.
Go higher.
No, don't peer pressure him.
Keep going. Keep going.
I'm too anxious for this right now,
What do you
alright?
mean?
Oh, I forgot. It's a Volkswagen thing.
Oh no.
Plug that for me?
What do you mean it's a Volkswagen thing?
It is.
It is?
Yeah.
Yeah, because they have that weird expansion tank style.
Oh, yeah, you got a point there.
It's a Volkswagen radiator.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, for what?
Mark II.
That's interesting.
Sammy, don't you watch videos?
Yeah. Do you watch?
Sometimes I
you even
do.
Watch the videos, Sammy.
Sometimes I do.
Are you watching the camera?
I
never do, and I always point in the wrong direction.
Alright, let's see if this thing will maintain operating time. So I rigged up some fan wiring so at least one of the fans will kick on. I still gotta wire those in obviously, but this will get it so we could try and get this thing to maintain some type of operating temperature so we can let it idle for more than just like 20 seconds. But this is good. It has coolant in it now for the first time and I'm excited to see how it does.
Oh my god. It could probably use a little bit more idle, but
Yeah, dude, it sounds so happy right now.
Oh, it's so nice and quiet.
how's that?
Beautiful. It's so good.
Oh my god, I need this so bad. I'll tell you what, the Lynx have no issue idling engines without IX, I'll tell you that.
Get the air out of there. Get the air out of there.
All right, so the car has now been idling for like 15 minutes, which is awesome. It seems to somewhat maintain operating temp. It's like slowly going up, but I think it'll level out soon enough. But engine sounds awesome. I'm really excited. The only issue is, like I keep saying, is it's super smoky. Now it's not that smoky at idle, but as soon as I get on the gas, it is out the door. And we kind of knew this, and this was like the one big letdown of all of it. And I still think it's gonna perform, but it's just super embarrassing when you build a car all the way up, especially looking this good, just for it to smoke its ass off out the tailpipe. Definitely not a good look, but I'm gonna be really upset when like the first video of us ripping on this thing is just white smoke everywhere. But the car can hopefully run and drive now, and we can finally take it for an actual test drive.
Smokes like a Subaru.
Whatever. I'll take this one victory today. All right, I'm done for today. My ass is kicked. Ready to drive it soon?
Yes, I am very ready. When are you gonna drive it?
They'll find out. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content. B.
Have a great night. Peace.